Prima Tech is dedicated to creating innovative products of the highest quality for the swine industry. In an effort to make the lives of swine producers easier, Prima Tech continues to design products that are long-lasting, increase efficiency of operations, and provide quality assurance in any production system. With a commitment to their customers in mind, Prima Tech has made several new additions to their product lineup and has also made key upgrades to existing products.
2012 and 2013, we have a plethora of new products coming, or we've brought them to the marketplace. First, I'll say we've had a major success in starting with our polyurethane boots for producers. They're a very high quality boot, very comfortable, long lasting.
Unlike the majority of boots found in the U.S. marketplace, which are composed out of rubber or PVC, the Prima boots are constructed with polyurethane, which has many advantages over standard rubber or PVC boots. These boots are actually 40% lighter than a rubber or PVC boot for increased working conditions in whatever your production system may demand. Along with the aid of molded-in thinsulate material, polyurethane also helps to keep feet comfortable in all temperatures. The polyurethane nature also helps the Prima boots to be resistant to fats, oils, and manure. They too promote safety with an improved slip-resistant sole profile, and customers also have the option of buying steel toe for added strength and stability. With an easy-to-clean cleat profile and pull-off spur molded into the heel, these boots are also user-friendly. The strength of the polyurethane boot allows it to avoid the cracking of the toe or the heel that is often seen in other boots, and causes it to ultimately last 3 to 4 times longer than rubber or PVC. Prima boots are a quality, durable product, ideal for use in any size swine production system.
The Prima Tech boots are great. They're very comfortable, they're easy to clean, they're durable, and we really like them a lot.
At World Pork in June, Prima Tech did launch the 0.3 milliliter bottle mount vaccinator. 0.3 is our ultra low dose vaccinator. It's great for your ultra low dose antibiotics.
The 0.3 milliliter BMV's ergonomic design offers a full stroke at 0.3 milliliters and can also be adjusted to accurately administer down to 0.1 milliliter doses.
Our syringes have the plus or minus 2% accuracy. So these syringes are very accurate. In order to acquire that accuracy, we have a stainless steel plunger in the 0.3 that's not in any of our other syringes. The stainless steel plunger is there because we can tool that material down to a small enough diameter to be that accurate.
The 0.3 milliliter also utilizes the new valving system found in the Prima Tech syringes, which was designed for improved priming at low doses and also to prevent any obstruction from occurring in the valves of the syringe.
We have just introduced some new items that are really upgrades and features for our standard products. One of which is what we call a modular valve. It replaces an old spring, O-ring, and a ball valve. This particular modular valve will add a smoothness to the stroke of the syringe because of the balance. It will also enable the user to service this item by removing it and replacing it, taking it out and cleaning it, so it's a very good serviceable item.
With the ability to adjust the bottle without sacrificing accuracy, the 0.3 can fit into tight spaces, while the metal lure tip safely switches needles in seconds. This new 0.3 milliliter BMV ultimately provides a more accurate vaccination than dialing down a larger barreled syringe. The new Spray-On 2 was developed with the new, longer-lasting, high-luminosity formula. Spray-On 2, available in green, red, and blue, has a more consistent spray pattern than other marking sprays and can mark effectively inverted as well as upright. Also, new bottle connectors allow for increased ease of use and prevent spray from getting on hands during application. Customers say that the Spray-On 2 marks last longer than any other product on the market. The Sterimatic is a Prima Tech product that reduces the spread of infection between livestock when vaccinating. The Sterimatic attaches to any Prima Tech syringe and is available in sizes that accommodate the half-inch and 1-inch needle. The Sterimatic automatically cleans the needle after each injection, which will reduce the potential for bacterial infection at the injection site, thus reducing abscessing in swine populations. The transfer spike allows for the quick and safe transfer of product and concentrates between bottles. The The support bridge on the transfer spike is what prevents spilling of product by ensuring stability during transfer. This multi-use product can be used with both the 250 milliliter as well as the 500 milliliter bottles. The PrimaCare Spray-On Liquid Bandage is a new product developed by Prima Tech that can be used on minor cuts, wounds, and other abrasions. The spray forms a thin, transparent film that can be used on humans as well as animals.
We had vaccine crews vaccinating our nurseries, and a lot of times the growers would question because they would get done very quickly, and they wondered if they had vaccinated all the pigs, truly vaccinated them. And I told Kim I would really love a syringe that puts a paint dot right by the injection site. So that we can go through after, if we're not there when they vaccinate the nursery, and audit and see if every pig was actually injected, and also have a rough idea of where the injection actually occurred on that pig.
The bottom mount vaccinator is my favorite gun of all the guns. You can use it as 10 doses at a time, you can use a whole bottle at a time, but simply because it's so easy to load and unload.
All the Prima Tech products we got are versatile to any antibiotic, any vaccine we use, whether it's down to a 0.1 dose, up to a 2 cc, and up to a 5 ml dose.
The way they stamp the volumes of medication on the barrel is extremely accurate, and we verify that routinely to make sure that they are stamped properly and that they administer the amount of medication that we expect, and they do very well.
I see a lot of these in the farrowing house. We have a lot of female employees in the farrowing house. It's lightweight, it's compact, and user-friendly. You know, when you ask somebody, particularly as large as some of our sites are, you ask someone to go through and vaccinate 2,600 pigs, you need to make that as simple as possible. And they've done a very good job at responding with multiple products, not just the syringes, but that help make our jobs easier.
It's my pleasure to have a Prima Tech product that we can take and use and have the reliability that my staff's not worrying about. Is it going to work right when I'm gone? I know the gun is given the correct dosage every time.
For as many hours as swine producers spend tending to and caring for their swine, Prima Tech has spent trying to make products that would help make operations run more efficiently on their respective farms. Using customer input and data from the observance of products on real farms, Prima Tech.